Kate here at WTI, and this is my favorite new tumbler from Bogi. I have used this every single day since I got it. I absolutely love everything about it. First of all, it's huge. It's 40 ounces, so if you're trying to reach a water goal, this is an excellent way to do it. You only have to fill it up a few times and you've hit your goal. It's also double wall insulated, which means it keeps your cold drinks cold and your hot drinks hot. I personally use this for water. When I go to sleep every night, I like to fill this with water and ice. And when I go to refill it the next day, there is still ice in the bottom. So it keeps your water very, very cold. It also keeps your hot beverages warm. The lid is so well designed. So you can have your straw in there, or if you want to use this to just sip out of, you flip the top and you have the opening on the other side. When it's closed, it's completely spill proof. So how awesome is that? It fits into cup holders, so the base gets nice and slim. It's got a rubber grippy spot so that it stays in place and secure, but it fits into all my cup holders. It fits on my treadmill. It fits everywhere. It's so convenient. It's got a great handle, which also has a nice texture. The whole thing is just so incredibly well made and thought out. The color even, it's this gorgeous cream white. My husband has no problem carrying this and using it, so it's very neutral in style. If you're looking for your next tumbler, I think this is an excellent, excellent option. I absolutely love it and I recommend it, and that's my point of view.